I mean, it was a cakewalk after rocket science. Yeah, it was actually, I think I remember Stephenie Meyer that day that I was doing all the big speech about, you know, the Cullens and how weird they are, but secretly how I'm in love with them. And because it was just a lot of dialogue, and yeah, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, she's quite a chatterbox, but it wasn't too bad because it all seemed to kind of make sense and just come from this really sweetly, like, just desperate place. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. There's some kind of trick that you have for like these kinds of movies where, like, you know, when the other actor's delivering the line and you know you're just about to go, you just take like a huge breath like you're about to go, you know, for diving or something? Well,
I mean, like with Jessica, again, if, you know, she's got this agenda, particularly about gossip, that I think once she sees her opportunity to start dishing, like, all other noise is just blocked out. It's like, you know, so other actors' dialogue, I think Jessica's just waiting for her turn to be like, oh yeah, and Alice is really weird, and, you know, Emmett's really bizarre, and blah, blah, blah.